Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Google Drive. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in using your Google account. Now on your screen, you're gonna see suggested files, activities, home, start, shared and files. On the top right corner, you're gonna see your profile icon. Just tap on it. Right below your Gmail, there's a manage a Google account option. Select that. Then there are options like home, personal info, data and privacy, and security. Go to security. Under security, you're gonna have to find how you sign into Google, password, etc. All you have to do is tap on that password option right below two-step verification. Now there, it might take a few seconds. Then on your interface, you're gonna see to continue, you have to verify that it's you. Just type in your password and tap on next. Now, on the screen, you can see you have to type in your new password and confirm your new password. Once you do that, just tap on change password on the bottom right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your Google Drive password. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.